Hi, I am Sherry. Today I will show you an amazing, easy, simple apple pie recipe with crumble topping. We don't need to rub the flour with butter, for we don't need butter this time. Just mix the flour with fresh cream and a nut, some honey, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix them. Just mix them to a rough dough, then keep it into the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. An hour later, roll and flatten it until larger than your mold. Then place it into the mold. Remember to press the edge tight, then we can get beautiful pleats of the pie. Remove the extra and punch with a fork. Also, keep it in the refrigerator. At the same time, we can make a very easy apple filling. Slice the apples. I never peel them, but you can peel them, of course. Place a pan over the heat, water, sugar with cinnamon, and a big half batch of slices. I'll always leave some apple slices uncooked. The filling would taste much better. And don't forget to add some apricot jam. It depends on the sugar level of your apple. Stir them with all the apple slices, no matter they were cooked or not. I also add some instant oil in case of leaking, for you know there are some apple slices uncooked. At last, crumble topping, of course. You can check my last video to find the crumble recipe. Just bake it at 180 Celsius for 30 minutes and reduce it to 150 Celsius for another 10 minutes. Enjoy! I am Sherry. Thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.